This is the moon image worked by the guy from Irrefutable Proof. Now check this out. He didn't use a full image recovery. He just made it so you can see what your image is gonna look like after you apply the tools that he tells you to use on your Photoshop. My goodness, look at that. It's not an inch, exactly like I've been saying all along. There is no one single inch untouched on the moon surface. Not only that, the structures extend into space. And that's the difficult part to digest. What we think of as space is something else. It's just we are inside a gigantic structure that we call the solar system. We're like a super gigantic Swiss watch. Everything rotates and those things. I mean, it's difficult to get around this idea that we are inside a giant structure, exactly like Dr. Berggruen tried to convey in the Ringmakers of Saturn. Look at that. Let's zoom in into that structure. It's super gigantic structure right here. I mean, there are no roads. I don't know how you're gonna have to fly inside there, or I mean, move through teleportation type tubes, or I don't know how they move inside there, because there is no way that you can all fly into openings and things like that one right there. This. As we have seen so many times, objects come out of the moon and flying into what we call craters. They're not craters. They're molten holes. Look at that, boy. I mean, when you see something like this, everything else that you thought about the moon, and that goes out the window immediately. I imagine the people that are in the know, they have so much stuff in their heads. I don't understand how they can keep denying everything. I mean, you have to be a demonic person, I guess. I don't know how else you call it. Why would you deny the entire planet this truth? The other truth is, what is this? It's a spherical object placed there by a superior race for who knows how long, who knows where this thing came from, where did they build it, how old is it? I mean, all those questions are just burning in the head of whoever sees an image like this. This is a further away look of the same area. You can notice that on the bottom left side, he didn't touch the image much. That's for you to work the image, as he tells you to use the burning tools and things like that in the Photoshop. I don't know how to use the Photoshop period, and it'll take me forever to learn. And I just don't feel like all of that is necessary. Once you see a portion of that picture, that portion, then you can imagine the rest of it. It's just like that, with more weird deals and look, an object appears to be floating above. Right there, look. And then look what's behind that thing. I mean, this is difficult to even think about it. I mean, these structures are ultra weird. They just, none of that is in anywhere around Earth that look like that. None. It's, whoever brought this from whatever place, it's gotta be some really, really advanced. Like I said, the type of physics employed by this entity is so far beyond what we know. The question also is, are they bringing people there? Because I imagine that moon is, that place is for different things. Monitoring Earth, the civilization, they're constantly coming in and out. We know that they had this secret government deal had shut down some of their